Welcome to DIY Tech.
UniFi Cable Modem Setup. Before working with any of your devices, you will need to create a Ubiquiti account. Connect all of your devices together, using Ethernet. Now, plug all of the devices into the power strip and turn the power strip on. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes to allow everything to power on. When everything is powered up, the lights on the UniFi devices will flash white. This means they're ready to be set up. Connect your ISP modem to the 1IN port on the USB. Put your modem into bridge mode and turn off your computer's Wi-Fi. Connect your computer to the switch with an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser and connect to http://unifipi.local.8443. Click through the warning to access the controller setup page. Name your controller. Log in with the Ubiquiti account you created at the very beginning of this guide. Select whether you would like to automatically optimize your network as well as enable auto backups. Set your SSID, Wi-Fi name, and password, and if you would like to combine your 2 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Select all of the devices you want to adopt onto your network. Lastly, review your configuration. Now the configuration will take place. This may take a couple of minutes. Your browser may lose connection while the UniFi device is set up and provision. The device's lights will turn blue after they're set up. When your browser refreshes, you will see your UniFi dashboard for the first time. You will see a notification to update the controller. Ignore this for now, you will update the controller a little later. Once everything is updated, you should be all set up.
Thanks for watching.